Air Center was established in 1984 and is the exclusive distributor of Kaeser compressors. We have recently updated our website with new and used products. On our website, you can find product information, specifications, and brochures on dozens of compressors and parts. We also carry dryers, filters, mobile compressors, rotary vacuums, and more. Subscribe to our Air Center blog for information about new products, discounts, and air compressor education. Our contact page has our location, email, phone number, and submission box for inquiries and quotes. Our other website, aircentertools.com, has thousands of assembly tools and controllers, including nut runners, drills, screwdrivers, pulse tools, grinders, and more from popular brands like Stanley, Ingersoll Rand, Cleco, Apex, Atlas Copco, and many others. For more information, please visit teamaircenter.com.